Hello friends, welcome to Easy Kids Draw.
Today we're gonna draw the beautiful lipsticks with coloring step by step, so let's start it. See the video till end to learn all about lipsticks drawing. It's time for making some designs. Wow, it's making so wonderful. It's time for coloring. Let's color it. I'm coloring it white-green color. I'm coloring it purple color. It's the same color of last one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.